Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add textures to like your frosting or anything that you can basically color. So I'm just going to select, let's re-roll the cakes and see. Okay, let's just select this one. Select confirm, and then to add textures to either your cakes or frosting, I'll just show you real quick. Go to the tier and then just select the settings button. Select the color that you want. This pink, go to textures and then create new and select the texture that you want. For instance, this one. Then press save. You can even change the color of your texture here like that. And then once you're done, you're just going to press save. And that is how you can change textures on Cake Off. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!